Hey guys, welcome to the special broadcast of NEURS TV. My name is Frank Codina, and there are so many exciting things going on right now at NEURS.com that I cannot wait to get into it with you. We have been working around the clock to get the latest round of updates to the site, and I think you're going to be not only impressed, you're going to be so happy with everything we got going on to make our site better, to take us in a growth direction, and so I just want to get right into it. In fact, let's talk about it. You know, obviously NEURS, when we started NEURS.com, our entire intent was to connect the entrepreneurial world, right? And I think that the things I want to announce today are going to really take us in deep into that direction. So let's talk about it. Number one, the most important update of the day is sort of our theme, which is we have just simplified the sign-up process tremendously, okay? So the new sign-up process is now in place. In fact, Phase 2 of that sign-up process is now in place, which is basically that when a new person signs up with NEURS.com, we no longer require the additional information page for membership accounts. Now, we do require it for affiliates because there's loss involved and stuff like that, but the additional information page, that was a burden because it asked a lot of questions. We've taken that out of the sign-up process, so now it's easier. You're going to see we made a lot of little small improvements to our sign-up process to increase the number of people that accept their invitation and go on to the platform. That's news number one, but phase 2 is coming this week, coming up, where we're going to be actually getting a lot more people through in a quicker and faster way, including Facebook. Yes, we are going to be adding a Facebook sign up to our website, so you'll be able to sign up directly with your email and all that, or you can use your Facebook credentials to get into NEURS.com, which will make things a lot easier for a lot of people. So that's number one. Number two thing is, now we've added something that we didn't have that a lot of people have been asking us for, which is new sign up and upgrade emails. So that means that right now, when somebody signs up and they become an entrepreneur, a provider, or an affiliate, or a founding member, or any type of membership change where they're upgrade or where there's a brand new sign up, we now send them a beautiful email that not only welcomes them, it's a special email from the CEO of the company, but also it tells them step by step what they should do next, okay? If they're a provider, to complete their provider profile, it comes with instructions. It's a very instructional email for any change to their membership account. That's an awesome feature that we just added, and all these emails are now flowing. And by the way, if we do have some issues with language entries, we're working through them. We're going to get them in all the languages that the emails go out in. Okay, so that's another big thing we needed to make the site more user friendly. Okay, next up, obviously the Facebook logging option. Okay, so now you can log into NEURS with your Facebook account. Now that doesn't mean you can not sign up yet with Facebook. That's coming up this week. Literally next week, you'll be able to sign up new people to NEURS with their Facebook account. But right now, literally, you can go to NEURS.com and you can log in to NEURS just using your Facebook. You don't have to use your email and your NEURS password. That's another awesome feature that we have. And by the way, once you do that, you're connected. Your Facebook is not connected with NEURS. And now we can really do a lot of other things that I'm going to announce in just a few seconds, okay, that are incredibly exciting to help you build your affiliate business. New dashboard. That's probably the biggest one I'm going to cover with you today. And let's talk about the new dashboard. So this has been one of the projects we've been working on probably for the last 2 weeks. Really major project. We're trying to unify things, make things more simple. This is my focus, to drive simplicity into our website, into what we do. So let me show you. I'm actually going to go to the internet and show you the process right now. So here we go. Now you're looking at the NEURS.com dashboard, okay? This is a test account that we have. It's not a real account, okay? This is, by the way, on our development stage. So you're gonna see a lot of little pictures that are missing and things that are not looking correctly like you would on your page. That's because this is our development, our staging platform, okay? But now you're looking at our landing page and you're thinking, well, that's the reach page. Well, the reach page is now, listen to me, this is really important. The reach page is now the landing page, the home page, the dashboard for NEURS.com. And you're thinking, what? Why would that be? Because NEURS is about making connections, and really about making worldwide, global connections, and not just about your reach. Now the pins on your reach page, okay, the pins that are going to be populating your reach page, okay, are not just going to be people that you refer to the site and those people that they refer to the site, but they're also going to be the connections that you make inside of NEURS. That's a huge development, guys, because we're changing the way we're looking at this. I want you to understand that at NEURS, right from the very beginning, we had the dream of connecting the entrepreneurial world. And we believe that, yes, through your reach, through your affiliate reach, you can, obviously reach out to the world, no pun intended, and do really great things, not only, by connecting people, but making money, right? But you can also make a lot of connections in NEURS through the NEURS Connections platform, what NEURS is all about. So by driving this platform now and showing and putting it in front of every single person, we're literally calling them to say, hey, make connections. Go to NEURS to make connections, to get connected to providers and to entrepreneurs that are looking for you, that want to connect with you, because that's what it's about. Understand, right now, you have a reach, but you can go to NEURS.com and you can actually post an offer, a request, and become a provider, and you can connect with people that are not in your reach. And that's what NEURS is all about. So with that being said, I want to tell you about the third level, the third thing that we're bringing very soon here, which is called your local reach. So understand, you're going to have your global reach, which is your marketing reach. You're going to have your personal reach, which is those people that you have connected with, okay? And through the network and through personal invites. And then we're going to have the local reach. And the local reach on the map, this is where the map has been a part of NEURS from the very beginning, is because in the local reach, through our iPhone app and through our Android apps, okay, and we'll add other platforms in the future, you're going to be able to turn on a feature that allows NEURS members to find you and you to find them with localization. So literally you'll be able to go anywhere. You could be literally in a shopping center, or you could be in a specific business center perhaps, or anywhere really, and turn on that feature and say, hey, I want to be found. I want my provider profile to be found by anyone around me that is also a NEURS member. And we're going to bring NEURS locally. That's part of phase 3, which is, it's going to take a few weeks or months to really get there, but that's the direction we're going, because this is the dream that we had. The dream that we had is that one day the entire world will become a networking event. There should not be a reason why people cannot connect with each other and meet each other. So imagine that a NEURS member that doesn't know this NEURS member turns on the app, has the app on them, they go to the NEURS app, and all of a sudden they see that literally a block away is somebody that's in NEURS, is a provider of a business opportunity or service. They can literally walk up to that person, shake hands and say, hey, I'm also a NEURS member. What do you do? This is what I do, and see their profile, and they can see you. Of course, there's privacy things here. You can obviously say, I don't want to be found, or I don't want my profile showing on the local reach, on the local platform. But if you do, boy, that opens up the world to you, to make connections, to meet people. And if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're a provider, this is exactly what you want. And we thought about you long and hard as we developed this roadmap for the future. So some exciting things happening at NEURS that are coming in the next few weeks and months, okay? But now I want you to notice over here on the left-hand side, okay? You're going to see that you have your messages, okay? So if you click on there, all your messages now load, okay? And you can just click right onto it, and you can go to the message, or you can just click here to see all of your messages in display view, okay? So now your messages are important. I'm a little bit backed up in my reading. I got to catch up. Then you got your proposals. By the way, these are, again, all fake proposals. Please do not look at this stuff. This is just stuff that we do to test. This is my testing environment on NEURS.com. But all of your proposals are now showing, and you can click right to them right from here. You can also see the courses that you created, or courses that you are attending if you are an entrepreneur. Also concepts, business ideas that have been suggested to you, and you can go straight to them, right? Or go straight to the page, right? Then you have your profiles, all your provider profiles that you've created. I created quite a bit of them, okay? Your offers, you can see all of your offers, okay? Or post a new offer if you have that capability, obviously, if you're a provider. You can see your requests, okay? Requests that you've made and link to them, okay? Which is really cool. And here's your reach. And I got to stop here and talk about the reach for a second, okay? Now, what you're seeing here in the reach, these are, by the way, not real numbers or any kind of stuff, okay? These are just, again, test environment numbers. But here's what I want you to know about the reach, okay? From now on, we're only going to display your total reach for your first level, for your personal level. We're going to tell you all the people you've invited, whether they've accepted, not accepted, all that kind of stuff, right? For your indirect reach, we're going to be showing you your membership reach. This is important because what we want to display is the real number of people that are either affiliates that upgraded to an affiliate status, or that are members, that are entrepreneurs, that are providers on the site. The real people that are utilizing NEURS.com. So the invitations for your directs will count everything, but for indirects will be the real numbers. And the idea behind that is that, your real reach is those people that are either affiliates or that are obviously members of the site, entrepreneurs, provider, etc. Right? If they're not anything, if they're kind of in the middle, they're in invitation, they really need to be converted. And that's the message we want to drive down to everyone, is that conversion starts now. The website is ready, the systems are ready, we're ready to go, we're making things easier and better, and it's up to you to drive that conversion. So that's what's really cool about that, all right? So you're gonna see your local reach, change, you're gonna see your marketing reach change. We're making a lot of changes to drive, the behavior in the way we want to go with NEURS.com. And then referrals, these will be all the people that you've referred recently and all that kind of stuff. So that's one change that we made. Now let me go back again. I'm gonna go back to the important announcements. So now you see the new dashboard. From there you can go anywhere on NEURS.com. We've also done a new unified header and better navigation. A lot of people have said to us, hey, when I was in NEURS marketing, the top changes, then I go back to my.NEURS.com and it changes. What is that all about? And there's a lot of explanations that we've had to make. Now you don't anymore. Let me tell you why. When you go here, you're gonna notice the very top says concepts, connections, guys, and capital. So you're gonna have the navigation of concepts, connections, capital everywhere on the site, no matter where you go. You could be on the marketing side, you could be on the other side. So no longer will we put up there, the blog button. Blog is all the way at the bottom. You can go to the blog, and the blog is always gonna be there. Resources, the resources room will be over here under capital, under affiliate resources, easy to find. And so all your resources, all your videos, all your PowerPoints and PDF files, everything will be in resources, which is great. Okay, so everything is always going to be there for you, but the navigation is now going to be the same: concepts, connections, capital. And by the way, next week you're going to see our public pages change to concepts, connections, capital as well. So that's going to be fun because we're unifying the site. So as you jump around, you never have to worry about losing navigation of one feature or the other. Okay, so let me go back again to so the unified header for navigation is a huge deal. Okay, the new website tour, I got to go back again to, I'm going back and forth here a lot, but the new website tour. So one of our goals, again, we're driving simplicity, we're driving user friendliness, basically how the website can interact better with our users. That's what we're focusing on, just making things simple and easier for everyone, because then we'll be able to go on our marketing blitz that we've been promising, but I really didn't want to start it until we were sure that the site was absolutely, optimal for conversion, okay, which is what it's all about. So let me show you real quick what we've done, okay? So in every page, you're going to notice, in fact, let me go here to messages. In fact, let me close messages. Let me show you. Every page will have this little, as you can see down here in the bottom, a little question mark, right? And then when you click on the question mark, let me show you what's going to happen. Right here, the menu automatically open. I didn't do this. The menu automatically open. And now it says basically, look, under the concepts menu, and then it starts a tutorial that I can actually click on next, and it walks me through all of the page, literally every single step of the page, and it tells me what's next, what I should do next. Now, what's really cool about this is that when you're a first-time user, this will be called automatically. In fact, there'll be a little light box that will show. I can't do it because I'm not a new user, but if I was a new user, it will say, hey, welcome to NEURS.com. Begin your tour here, and literally starts to guide the user as to all the functions, all the features, everything they can do on our site. Is that cool or what? That's what we've been working on for the last week or two as well. We've been working on like 8 or 9 different projects simultaneously. So we have the whole team working overdrive here, overnight working to get all these things out. But the tour is phenomenal. So let's say, for example, let me get out of the tour. Let me end the tour. And let's go to, for example, my offers and requests, right? So if I am here, I can actually click on the little explanation thing will pop up and will say to me what offers and requests are all about. And then I can learn a little bit more about what this page is about and what should I do, what action should I take, right? You can always end the tour, right? And again, this is designed for that purpose. The purpose is to make things simple for the user, okay? So the new website tours walks you through everything. Affiliate tour, there's a provider tour, there's a founding member tour, there's a different tour for each account type. And then the first time you get on the site, it prompts you. The first time you visit each page, it will prompt you. And by the way, we're giving that experience to everybody for the first time. Hopefully today or tomorrow, you'll be getting that experience on NEURS.com. The first time you log in for the next time, it will give you that experience. So it's really cool. So let me go back to PowerPoint here. And so again, new website tour, huge deal. Not authorized. We used to have a lot of pages that said not authorized, okay? And it would just basically say, you will click on, say you're a provider, and you will click on a function that's only available for entrepreneurs. It will say, you're not authorized. If you're an entrepreneur and you clicked on our provider page, it will say, not authorized. We've decided to make those upgrade possibilities. So now instead of saying you're not authorized to see that page, it says, hey, to do this function, you need to upgrade your account type to this. And we'll give you several choices. One being, of course, founding member and or provider and or entrepreneur, or buying additional credits to perform those functions or whatever. That's what's really, really cool about what we've done, is that we've turned, a page that you're not supposed to access, we've turned it, or a function, we've turned it into an upgrade possibility for you, our affiliate team, for all of the members you have on your team. So now I believe that with that change, a lot of people will start converting their accounts and start doing upgrades to other account types. So that's a huge deal. Next, new Lightbox that does upgrade reminders. So right now, if you're an affiliate and you're not a member, immediately you're going to get a Lightbox along the way, along the site. It's going to prompt you and say, hey, you should consider becoming an affiliate, or in this case a member, and watch this video to understand why. And there's an why upgrade to member video that will play automatically and show them what are the benefits of upgrading. Same thing if you're a member and you're not an affiliate, there's going to be a once in a while, a little light box going to appear and say, hey, have you considered being an affiliate? Would you like your account to be free? And then basically there's an explanation of how our comp system could be used to offset the cost of their membership, and then also even make money with NEURS.com. And of course, if the person says, hey, I'm not interested, I don't want to see this anymore, they will turn it off and they will never see it again. But now we're going to use again the interaction with the website to try to make those conversions happen within the site. Hopefully you're happy with that as well. Next up is the new bump feature. The bump feature, what is this all about? Well, as you know, when you make a post on NEURS.com, as other people start making posts, whether it be a provider, a profile, or an offer, or a request, or even an online course, then as you start creating your content, other people will create theirs, and theirs takes priority because the latest content is always on the top, right? So a lot of providers have figured this out, and they're always posting in order to get new entrepreneurs that don't want to scroll down. They don't want to go to the second, third page. They don't want to scroll all the way down, right, to the stuff that got posted literally months ago. They want to see the fresh content, right? But how can you get to the top of the page? Real simple. We have a bump feature. Let me show it to you real quick. So now, when you're at NEURS.com, let me actually go to my provider profiles for example. This is just an example. You can do it with anything. So I go to my provider profiles, and let's say I want to bump this one up. I want to bump my Kuman professional provider profile. I just click on bump right here, and it tells me, look, if I click bump, obviously this post will now become number 1 on the search page. There's 25 credits that will be deducted for this bump feature. So instead of reposting your content, which will cost you 50 credits, you can just bump the one you have all the way to the top. Or of course, you can recreate posts. You can repost them and spend 50, but why not spend 25 and get your post all the way to the top again? So now you're more searchable. You're easier to find by new entrepreneurs. This is a huge deal. So that we just added. So again, the bump feature is phenomenal, and it takes you right to the top, okay? So that's another one of the great features of this week. So you got to be blown away by now. You got to be going, wow, you guys have been working. We've been working, guys. And what we have planned, you have no idea. The tech team, the team here at NEURS.com, is just blowing and going with the things that we're doing to get the site to where we want it to be. We're not where we want to be. We recognize that. We're heading there though, and the team is making incredible improvements. Next up, new account demos. So today, hopefully you witnessed the demo I did, well, right here on this set. And we did a demo for the provider account. Look, it wasn't perfect. I know there was flaws, and we're going to get that demo. We're going to make it better. And I just wanted to get one out. And then as soon as we get one out, we're going to start making that one better. And by the way, we have more coming. So we have the affiliate demo coming. We have the entrepreneur account demo coming. We have all these demos coming. And the idea behind the demos is that they'll be running always on NEURS TV. And you'll be able to tell any one of your invites to say, hey, go to NEURS.com at 8 p.m. tonight. They're having a demo on the entrepreneur account. And there it is, a demo on entrepreneur account, a demo on provider account, a demo on being an affiliate and the opportunity of being an affiliate. Those demos are going to serve a great purpose. Okay, so those account demos are part of the announcements. We're going to be releasing the entrepreneur one, I believe, on Tuesday, and then hopefully by Monday of next week, or by between Sunday and Monday of next week, we'll have the affiliate one out as well. So literally within a week, all these demos will be populating NEURS TV. Next up, the new invitation page. Now I'm not going to show you this page. The simple reason, you're going to see it tonight. This page is ready to go. I'm not going to show you because it has a lot of my personal data in there. There's a lot of invites and people. I don't want to show anybody's information to the world. But basically, I just want you to understand that the new invite page we've made a huge improvement. It's night and day. Right now, for example, it used to be that you had to scroll all the way to the bottom to invite somebody, right? To put their email and hit the invite button and choose the type of email, right? Not anymore. Now it's at the very top of the page. So we made that user-friendly turn to, you want to invite somebody, boom, it's right on top of the page. You don't even have to scroll down. Is that awesome, right? But also what we made is that you say, look, I don't want to see the completes. I already know who the complete people are. You can unclick them, and all of a sudden you don't see the completed. You only see the people that are pending, so you can focus on who you have to call, who you have to follow up with, who you have to email to get them to convert. Same thing with the views. The views before were basically just tiles that we had, okay? Just a bunch of tiles, and you have to click on each single one of them to see their information, right? Well, not anymore. Now you have a list view. You have a tile view, and then you have a list view. And if you go to the list view, you get everybody. You even see their little flags, what country they're from, their phone number, their email, all of your invitees, okay? All in one form. Very easy to scroll. By the way, we've added pagination, so now anyone who had problems, getting to the bottom of the page had a hard time loading because you had thousands of people that you've invited. We've had people that have thousands of people they've invited. Okay, and that's no longer a problem. We got pagination on the page, so now it loads as you scroll down, which makes it very easy for navigation, which is great. Okay, and by the way, yes, you did see right on my screen. You're seeing the new invitation page with Facebook. What is this about? We're activating, so it's either tonight or by Monday you're gonna see this, okay? So it's literally in the next few days, or even tonight, we're still testing it, okay? That you'll be able to invite people, again, through email, like you always have, but you can now invite, instead of importing from Gmail, you can import your friends from Facebook, and then actually write them personalized messages to invite them to NEURS, right from the NEURS app. And we're adding that literally in the next 24 to 72 hours. Is that exciting? That's already done. We're in testing environment for that, and we're moving it up to production, hopefully, like I said, in the next 24 to 72 hours. And then finally, I want to make a call out to an announcement that we're making. Tonight, we've ended the founding member bonus for June. You all knew about that, okay, that it was going to end, but because it was so popular, people loved this so much. People said it incented me to try to get to 3 people, try to get to 5 founding members, try to get to 10, right? Because I was driving because of it. People didn't want it to go away, so they've asked us to maintain it for another month. So here's the announcement. Yes, we're leaving. Excuse me, better said, right? The new founding member bonus for the month of July. Here's how it's going to work. Again, 3 direct founding member upgrades. You get $1,000 on top of your $185 per founding member. So that's huge. 5 direct founding member accounts, $2,000, 10, $5,000, and by the way, as you know, you get paid very well for bringing on providers onto the site and all that kind of stuff. So the compensation is there. The residual income, we're seeing people generate incredible residual checks already. Compensation statements go out tonight. Literally thousands and thousands and thousands of affiliates got paid tonight, and the system worked exactly like we said it was going to work, and we're on a roll. So we're doing great. 2 requirements though to earn this bonus. I got to make sure we got this out of the way. You must have a founding member account. Now that doesn't mean you have to have one personal. You have to have one direct to you or personal, either one, right? If it's direct to you, remember, is the minimum sales requirement. If it's a direct sale of a founding member account that is not yours, that's fine, but he or she can now be an affiliate. If they are, that sale then counts for them, and it opts you out of counting for you. So again, the minimum sales requirement is you have to have at least 1 founding member account to participate in any bonus pool that NEURS offers, and here's the requirement for this, okay? For the compensation, you don't have to have a founding member account. For the 30 levels, all you need is really a provider or even a paid entrepreneur account, and you're qualified, okay? But with the founding member, you need a founding member account. It could be one that you market or sell to someone else that is not an affiliate, or it could be your own account that also qualifies you, okay? And of course, you must be an affiliate partner to earn any of our bonuses. The 30 levels is available to everyone, every type of affiliates, but the bonuses are only for affiliate partners. And the deadline is going to be June 28th to July the 28th. So on July the 28th, this closes out 8 p.m. Obviously, just U.S. time, Miami, New York, Eastern time. Okay. So those are the announcements for today, guys. Hopefully, you've enjoyed this broadcast. We're bringing you a ton of content, a ton of information, and as you can see, we got things on a move. Okay. And what's the goal of this? What you're seeing on screen, which is connect the entrepreneurial world. We set out to start this movement, to start this company with the only purpose to help people get connected to business ideas, opportunities, to connect with others globally. And guess what? We're doing it now. We're not only doing it now, but we're improving week in, week out. And we're not going to stop. We have a goal and a purpose, and we will fulfill our mission thanks to you, because you're watching, because you're part of this team, And hey, let's go have a great end of June, okay? Let's go end June strong, obviously, and let's go have a fantastic July, so then we can look back and say, wow, we were there when NEURS.com was in the beginning, when they were adding that tour, when they were adding, all these cool things that we just announced today. I was there. I saw the development of this platform, and boy, look at where it's gone. Thank you for being part of this team. Let's go make great things happen.